Changing from personal to public. Door must be in the open position. Rotate the knob to the locked position. Slide the swap button to the public position. Rotate knob to open position and enter new code. Rotate knob to lock position. Slide the swap button to the personal position. In the personal position you need to put your code in. Turn knob to lock position and scramble the dials. To open the locker, insert your personal code. Unlock the locker and then scramble the dials. Insert your personal code. Turn knob to lock the locker, and then scramble the dials.